In this video, we're going to be doing long multiplications with decimals. We're asked to evaluate 3.42 multiplied by 2.7. Whenever we're doing long multiplications with decimals, the best way to do it is to multiply the numbers as if there is no decimals in the first instance. So I'm going to do 342 times 27. 2 multiplied by 7 gives me 14. So I take the 4, I write it below, and then I take the 1 right to the top of the 4. Then I do 7 times 4, which is 28. Add 1 is 29. I'm going to write the 9 below, and then I take the 2 right to the top. 7 times 3 is 21. 21 add 2 is 23. Now that I've completed the 7, I'm going to do the 20 remaining in that 27. So the first thing I'm going to do before I do the 2 multiplication times 342, I'm going to place a 0 just below the 4. Then I start with 2 multiplied by 2, which gives me 4. Next I do 2 times 4, which is 8. And then finally I'm going to do 2 times 3, which gives me 6. Then I'm going to add 2,394, add 6,840. 4 add 0 is 4. 9 add 4 is 13. I'm going to write 3 below, and I'm going to place the 1 just above the 3. 1 add 3 is 4. 4 add 8 is 12. I'm going to write the 2 below and place the 1 above the 2. 1 add 2 is 3. 3 add 6 is 9. I'm not done yet. Now I have to determine where the decimal point should be. I'm going to count all the numbers after the decimal in both numbers. So I've got one number after the decimal in the first one. Then I've got 2 numbers after the decimal in the second number. Then I count them. 1, 2, 3. In other words, starting from my right hand side of my solution, I'm going to count 3 numbers before placing the decimal. 1, 2, 3. So I placed my decimal before the 2. So my final answer of 3.24 multiplied by 2.7 equals 9.234. You can double check your answer in the calculator to ensure that the answer is correct.